Everyone, ladies and gentlemen, today we are having a Tendri FM weekly conversation, and our guest today is wonderful Aigul. Uh, so let's have a seat, please. So Aigul, can you tell me a few words about yourself?
So my name is Aigul Zh, and I work for an international life science company in position of the assistant to the managing director and manager for internal communications. Our company is acting in two of most vital areas. It is healthcare and crop science, and I've been with this company for more than 10 years.
And could you tell me what are your achievements and trends at your work?
I could say that I am a good communicator, and I developed worthy and relationship with my colleagues, with our clients, and I'm mostly the person who is addressed by colleagues to resolve conflicts, to discuss challenging topics. And in most cases, I can help them to resolve these questions before they address it to management and doing it without stress. I'm happy with that. And I have a good experience in organizing internal events. And I'm happy that we have volunteering projects. It's really, I think it is my achievement. We supported for 3 years a family house named Qazaq. It is located in Talgar. And can you imagine that during 2.5 years, every month, we prepared birthday presents to the children. And my colleagues did it by their own assets. And it was amazing. And it was empowering for me to know that so many colleagues are happy to help. So I think it is my achievements.
Thank you. But what about challenges or conflicts you faced at your work? Can you share it?
Firstly, I would say that one of my colleagues said that maybe I am a single person who has no conflicts in the company. I'm also really proud of it. And it was one situation when I faced a really significant challenge. It was while preparing and developing a corporate website, and it was connected to restrictions we had with our corporate structure. It was restriction with placing information, but we could not place information, for example, about our products. And it was a complex of questions, and it really was very challenging for me. And at the end, I could cope with it, speaking to managers, because every manager would like to place as much information on corporate site as possible and to pay for it as less money as possible. And as a result, we could manage that we didn't pay anything for corporate site. It was done by our corporate team. And we placed information which was so most possible to place on this corporate site. I think I could cope with this challenge.
Wonderful. And at the end, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
So at that time, I hope I be retired, and I hope I will be active, will be healthy, curious about life, passionate, and I hope I will run probably my own business and probably connected to Kazakh language. I currently am very active in learning Kazakh language, So I hope I can promote learning Kazakh, I can promote speaking Kazakh language, and also I plan and hope that my kids will be independent at that time, will finish their study. I will travel a lot. I will visit and stay at different places for different months, and I will be happy, I hope.
And what appreciation of your work you have got or you get every day?
Appreciation I received, and it is very remarkable for me that one colleague said that our company changed after I joined it. And I really hope that organizing corporate events that are aiming to strengthen our corporate culture, they help to create this positive and working environment. I do it with my publications about what is going on in the company. And I really very proud of this comment.
Well, thank you very much, Aigul. This concludes our interview, and wish you good luck. Looking forward to see you soon at our 10 FM radio. So this, I think, with people like you, our country will be truly great and invincible. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.